Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future, and that we are doing. So today we got the latest and greatest coming from the FEG team and on their socials as far as the X page. And we're going to do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, take advantage of the Money Bags mansion down below. But let's jump right in. Let's get into the meat and potatoes. So we got announcing this week, huge news for the ecosystem. We have down selected the most effective raid bot currently on the market, raidsharkbot.com. I'm going to do a separate video on that. So if you're part of this Raid Shark community already, let me know down in the comments and make sure the bell notification is lit. So like that, we're going to learn about all the things that it can do. But this is about FEG token right now. But we will be announcing all the juicy details of this new and exciting partnership, which will also include all future SmartDefi projects later this week. That is bullish news. I need this community. I need the FEG army to stand up right now. Try to get over 100 likes over this video. Try to go crazy. When the team is putting things together like this, it's for a reason. We know that we got SmartDefi testing. We know that things are moving along really, really good. We got almost a doctrine on how to play some of the ways you can interact with SmartDefi from Rocks to Alien himself. So I need this community to stand up right here. Let's see what Raid Shark had to say. And the FEG army right here. This got 87, 93. Okay, it's moving now. That's what I'm talking about. Let's turn up on this right here. And I know it's fresh off the press, and that's why you guys got to have that bell notification lit on this channel, because I'm not messing around. We are in the bull market. We're waiting for the bull run. We got Bitcoin pumping over 52,000. We got ETH over 2,800. We got FEG token getting ready to go into that $1 billion market cap. I hope you guys are as pumped up as I am. And if you're not, maybe you need to switch your guys' coffee and get yourself a bag of FEG. Of course, let's see what they got to say, right? So get ready for an exhilarating moment, a groundbreaking announcement in collaboration with FEG token with FEG token is on the horizon. Keep an eye out for the grand unveiling. You won't want to miss this one. So I need the FEG army to come over here and go crazy on this one right here. I know it's fresh, so that's why it's like we're not going that crazy on it yet. So it's only 40 minutes ago. But let's go crazy on this because it's for a reason. Look at this. Shark plus FEG. This something big is happening right there. That is going to bring a lot of exposure to us. I'm just letting everybody know right now. So raid complete. So let's go ahead and continue. Video by Duo. Look at this. I mean, the videos don't get no better than that. Look at the shades. I mean, anything he does is always through the roof. I mean, it's on the top. It's A1. It's you know, it is what it is, what many want to be. So we got this covered. We're good on this, right? We know the roadmap. Let's take a peek at it. Why not? It's juicy, right? Let's take a peek at a juicy roadmap really quick so you guys can know. I got a lot of new people to the channel, OGs and veterans know that, you know, I've been bullish on FEG token for the longest. So open SmartDefi Launchpad, audit SmartDefi presale, SmartDefi presale release, and then upcoming. So check this out. This is checked off. The audit from Peck Shield, the Smart DeFi staking is audited, and there's even another one. So we're going heavy on that. Let's like and retweet this as well. But we got a lot of stuff that's going to be really nice for those SmartDefi projects to be looking forward to that we get to use in the future. So let's head over to make sure if you guys want to learn about it or just watch the next video I'm going to drop. Is going to be on Raid Shark bots, so like that we can learn everything about it. Excuse me. Also give Uncle Cha a follow right here. We got halving is coming. The BTC halving draws near. FEG token stands ready to shine with their solid fundamentals and visionary dev team. We're poised to lead the charge in the world of decentralized finance. You know, SmartDefi is building the true DeFi right now, and that's one of the reasons I've been bullish on FEG token since over 2 years ago, is because the true DeFi and not letting them have the keys to our money all over again. And we'll talk about that we'll talk more about that in the future. But right now we got on the BNB side of things, holding strong, consolidating, kind of like what we talked about. Let's go over cruising at a $53 million market cap. Let's head over. You know, the raid bot's really going to help because exposure means more investors. At the end of the day, that's what it means. Numbers don't lie. So holding strong right here. Classic resistance becoming support, so let's mark that out We can see the green candle already printing right there. This is on the 4-hour chart. I'm zoomed out on this billion-dollar project. So make sure you guys connect the dots and read in between the lines when it comes to FEG token. We're going to be talking staking in the future. We're going to be talking smart lending tools. If you're new to FEG token and got a bag, make sure you watch the how to stake video. It's very important for you guys to tap into that. All right, so right now, of course, holding above the deleting the zero. That's where we're at right now. Same goes for over here on the BNB side. You know, holding above that zero thresh or that deleting the zero threshold. So let's go ahead and mark that up right there. And you know, on the ETH side, it was a little bit more easy to identify, but see, we're out of this range now. We broke above this prior resistance, and now it's a support. Now we're cruising above here. So this is what we're going to be doing right now. And I could see a lot more exposure coming, especially with the raid bot, with the shark bot. Let me scroll up really quick. I want to see something. Okay, so 1,700 followers on the raid shark. So, all right, so this is some bullish news. We're gonna have a community that's gonna be a lot more active, which is pretty cool if you ask me, because we tend to trend on X a lot more often than a lot of other projects. So I can only imagine with, you know, some kind of call to action with the FEG army right now. So we're looking good. Let's get above, you know, once we get above that delete the zero, that 1.5, so 1.5, that's gonna be where, you know, that resistance is going to be. Same thing on the ETH side. But this is a $1 billion project with $1 billion technology, building true DeFi. And we're going to keep coming back to this one. And so are you. So until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.